Good morning, students. Welcome to MTuitions. In today's session, I'm going to explain some examples on angle of depression and angle of elevation. Let's see how to solve these. Okay, so here is a question about angle of elevation. Let's take this question. So, case is a vertical pole stands on the level ground. Then from a point on the ground 25 meter away from the foot of the pole, the angle of elevation of its top is found to be 60 degrees. So we have to find the height of the pole. So first draw the diagram for this. In exams, marks are distributed for the diagram also. So this is the vertical pole AB. Then from here 25 meter away, let's say this is 25 meter, here is the observer, 25 meters. As per the question, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So means observer is looking from here at the top of this pole. So line of sight is supposed to be from here like this, and this is line of horizontal, or you can say horizontal line. So here the angle between this horizontal line and this line of sight is given 60 degrees. So we have to find out height of this pole. Here it is clearly seen if it is standing vertically, so it will make 90 degrees here. Let's say h is the height of the pole. Now see how we are going to apply trigonometric ratios to simplify this problem. In right angle triangle OAB, AB upon OA. Why we are taking AB and OA? Because these two, this we have to find out and its value is given. So that's what we are going to use, these two sides of the triangle. Okay, so this is equals to tan theta, means tan 60 degrees. How I am writing tan 60 degrees? If you remember this code, so this is the acute angle, so this is the height opposite to this, correct? This is the base, this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse. Now we are saying perpendicular by base, so perpendicular by base is tan theta. So that's what tan 60 degrees. Now substitute the values. AB is equals to H, AO is equals to 25 and tan 60. For that for now you can check the value in your table. Otherwise I taught you already how to draw the table before solving the questions. So tan 60 degrees is root 3. Just substitute the values here. Then transpose the values. So 25 into root 3 implies that 25 into 1.732. When you are going to multiply it, so we are going to get 43.3. So height of the pole is 43.3. So like this we can simplify the problem of angle of elevation. For this your diagram must be accurate. Thank you. Okay, let's take one question on angle of depression. So here is the question on the screen. A person is standing on the top of a building. Observe a car on the ground. The angle of depression is 30 degrees. If building is 20 meter high, then find the distance of the car from the base of the building. Okay, so as per the question, height of the building 20 meters and this is the car. This distance we have to find out. Let's say this is x and observer is here. So line of sight is going to be this, line of sight is going to be this, and line of horizontal is going to be this. correct na, straight from the level of the eye. Now clearly it is given in the question that this angle of depression is 30 degrees. Okay. Then see how to manage this diagram. You can see that these two are the parallel lines, correct? Then this line of sight can be considered as the transversal. So if this is 30 degrees angle, then it is also supposed to be 30 degrees by the property of alternate interior angles. Okay. So now this is again your simple question where you know one of the right angle triangle ABC. Okay. Right angle triangle ABC. You know the side AB. Then you can say AB upon BC is equals to, means perpendicular upon base, is equals to tan 30 degrees. Now AB is 20 meter. This is X, and value for tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Okay. Just put the values. Just substitute the value and from here get the value of X. So value of X is going to be 20 root 3 is equals to X. Root 3 value 1.732. This you have to read carefully कि what value exactly they are asking to substitute for root 3. Sometimes they give only 1.73, so please go accordingly. Okay. Then multiply this, so we are going to get 34.64. So this is how we solve the question of angle of depression.